There are several steps that happen in the process of a criminal case proceeding through the court system. And they're broadly the same, whether it's in federal court or whether it's in state court, tribal court, or one of the municipal or justice courts here in the state of Arizona. After you are charged with charges, of course, this is going to be through a grand jury indictment or through a direct complaint form, as we say, that's filed with the court. The next step in the process is either an initial appearance or an arraignment. According to the rules of criminal procedure here in Arizona, that must be done within 48 hours of a warrantless arrest. So within 48 hours, there have to be some type of initial appearance or arraignment. Virtually at that time, it's the first time you come before the judge. They let you know of what you're being charged with. At that point, you get to enter a plea of guilty or not guilty. Generally at that time, and again, it depends. It can work different ways depending on how you were arrested, if you're in custody, if you're not in custody. There are some factors that play into it. But virtually you get to enter your plea of guilty or not guilty. Sometimes there's an initial plea offer, an early plea that the prosecutor will offer you. And if none of those things are successful, if the initial plea is not one that you're going to take, virtually you're apprised of your charges. They set release conditions on you, whether you're going to be released to your own recognizance or you're going to be released to pretrial services on an ankle monitor, or if you're going to be remanded into custody and held until you pay a bond, be it a cash bond or some type of bail, or if you're on one of those, get charged with something that's not bailable as a matter of right, then you would sit in custody, be transferred to one of the jails if you're not already in custody. So a number of things can happen, but largely you're advised of your charges, you enter your plea, and then there's other court dates that are set out after that. And so I often, and I always tell folks, get your lawyer involved early. If you know you're going to go with private counsel, get them involved early, because there are things that they can do, even as it relates to the grand jury and other things, to make sure that you have the best possible outcome as it relates to your criminal matter. So call a lawyer early. Call our office. We want to get in on it early so we can get the best possible outcome for you.